बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन।
शैतान 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 आ चुका।
मज़ीद आगे बढ़ने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें।
There is a Muhannis bin Shaitan exists in our holy land. He wants to bring all the shayateen in our holy land to do Raqs Iblis in every city of our holy land. He is a modern day Iblis. He stops Amar bil Ma'ruf and promotes Munkirat. Where are all the ulama-e-haq? Why don't they speak? Their silence is their crime. It looks like they are heavily enjoying their share of bread and butter. They are unwilling to present their necks for the sake of haqq, for the sake of Islam, for the sake of Allah and His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It looks like Ala-e Kalimatul Haq is not their job anymore, but surrendering themselves to the evil is the purpose of their life. I am ashamed. I am ashamed. I am ashamed.